5 minutes to strategize for 5 days beginning 2nd November. The mood swings in the US elections spilled over to the stock markets too. The US Nasdaq shed nearly 2.45% on Friday, with indications of a possible change of government in the US. The Nifty too oscillated between green and red zones even intraday, and week over week shed nearly 300 points to close at 11,642. Thursday, the expiry date for the options and futures contracts saw huge volatility, and the VIX 50 ended much higher at close to 24.75 to be precise. The recent IPOs that got listed have shed considerable listing gains, giving an opportunity for those investors who missed out on the allotment to relook at them. The lowest contraction in the core sector index, with steel, coal and electricity registering growth, is little comfort to the signs of some revival in the economy. The USD INR ended below 74 at 74.10. The US dollar index also firmed up to 94. Rupee could be volatile in the election week with a depreciating bias against dollar, and RBI is most likely to intervene to arrest any appreciating bias. The country's forex reserves have touched another high at $560 billion. The internecine tiff between OPEC and Russia could also be reflecting in Brent touching $38 and gold also softening to $1,878 from last week's $1,901. The benchmark 10-year bond yield was almost firm at 5.88%, with the government borrowing on behalf of the states and RBI simultaneously putting state development loans on the open market operations repurchase window. This provides significant profit booking opportunities for banks from their investment portfolio. Have an interesting week ahead.